Plastic Model Builders, hello, it's me, Ari Stone, with Plastic Model Builder. I've got a box here from Andy's Hobbies headquarters. It's the holidays. This is December 20th. Hanukkah and Christmas are around. These are Hanukkah presents. We're going to open this up and show you what I've got inside, because I know you all want to see. They are planes. Wonderful box. Happy holidays from Andy's. Not a commercial, by the way. Plastic wrapping. First thing I got, Spitfire MK1 Tamiya. Wonderful kit. I heard it is a Tamiya kit. And then the next one, got to dump this over because you can't exactly see it. Go. That off. And here it is. The new tool, Tamiya F35A Lightning. This is it right here. Let's see what's inside this box. Opening it up at first glance, you know, you've got your weapons bays right there. A little bit about the plane, of course. Got a bag. Got another bag. This is the fuselage. Intakes. Wings. Another fuselage component right there where the canopy will go. The main cockpit. Wheel well right here. Rear wheel well. Cockpit stuff. Pylons. I'm liking it so far. Ooh. One bag of plastic parts. Got two canopies right here. We'll have to figure out what each one of these are for. I'm sure there's a logical reason. One is H, one is I. Pylons. Landing gear doors. This is your landing, or not landing, right here. It's got your bomb bay doors. More pylons. Armament missiles. Your engine exhausts, ailerons, flarerons, stabilizers. Got your instructions right here. We'll open these up later on a box break. Decals right here, masks, and all sorts of fun stuff. To my understanding, this plane has a lot of variants that you can do with it, so we look forward to doing that. Then we got the Spitfire. We got the Spitfire, of course, which is right here. Got the box. One bag right here. Got caps. I'm sure that's got a good reason for those. Something must move. Clear plastic parts right here. Fuselage. One bag. Stabilizers, the rear stabilizers right here, and probably the tail. Actually, just stabilizers. Tails included on the plane. Got your decal sheet. It's got your maskings for the canopy. Of course, you have to cut out. It looks like photo etching parts. If you like photo etch, use those. It looks like it's all for the cockpit seat and all that good stuff. You got your right here instructions for painting, and of course your decal instructions, and a little bit about the Supermarine Spitfire MK1. Be careful with what you're doing, and of course your detailed instructions, 12 pages of that. I'm not sure how many steps. That's the Supermarine Spitfire. I look forward to doing this one, so thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like. Going to have some model making madness. And as always, until next time, see ya.